How to delete your Spotify account. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily delete your Spotify account. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up your Spotify app, and then once you're on your Spotify app you have to tap on settings here in the top right corner. And now here in settings scroll down till the bottom of the page, and here you will see support. Tap on it, and now here in support you have to search for close account. And now here you have to tap on close your account. And then here if you got premium, to delete your premium account permanently you can close your account yourself. So if you have premium you have to tap here, if you don't have premium you have to tap here, and after you delete your account they will email you a link which you can use to reactivate within 7 days. After those 7 days your account's gone forever. You can always create a new one. So if you have premium, tap here. If you don't have premium, tap here. I don't have premium, so I'm going to tap here. And now you will be taken to this page. So now you have to log in. You can log in with Facebook, with Apple, with Google, or with phone number, or you can also use your email address or username, and then you can use enter password and then tap on login. So let me log in quickly. And now after you have logged in you have to tap on close account, and then here it says is this the correct account, so you have to check that if this is the correct account, and then you have to tap on continue. And now here it says what you need to know: when you close your account you lose your saved music, podcasts and playlists, your followers, your username. It can be used again with Spotify. So then here you have to check this I understand box and then tap on continue. And now here it says check your email to close, so go to your email. You will receive an email like this: please confirm you want to close. So open that email, and then here scroll down, and then here you have to tap on close my account, and you will be taken to this page. And here it says all done, your account is now closed, so you won't be able to log in anymore. And so this is how you can delete your Spotify account. Thanks for watching.